Double-hung Windows Mandeville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our window installation services in Mandeville ensure that your double-hung windows are installed with precision and care, providing you with long-lasting performance and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient double-hung Windows Mandeville are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing home comfort. Our energy-efficient window solutions in Mandeville, LA, are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. Trust our Mandeville window experts to provide you with the best energy-efficient windows available. Custom window solutions in Mandeville, LA, offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. Our custom double-hung windows Mandeville are crafted to fit any architectural style, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Whether you need custom window solutions for a new build or a renovation, we have you covered. Window replacement experts in Mandeville are ready to address any window issues you may encounter. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, our team in Mandeville, LA, is equipped to handle all types of window replacements. Trust our window replacement Mandeville services to restore your windows to their original condition. Residential window services in Mandeville cater to homeowners looking for reliable and professional window solutions. Our residential Windows Mandeville team provides comprehensive services, including window replacement, and maintenance. We are committed to delivering top-notch residential window services in Mandeville, LA. Window frame replacement in Mandeville is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window frame replacement services in Mandeville, LA, ensure that your windows remain sturdy and secure. Whether you have wooden or vinyl frames, our Mandeville window experts can handle all types of replacements. Window replacement Mandeville is a cost-effective solution for damaged or outdated windows. Our window glass replacement services in Mandeville, LA, provide you with high-quality glass options that enhance both the appearance and functionality of your windows. Trust our Mandeville window experts for all your glass replacement needs.